Here we go, it's Alison here on my keto fitness journey, and to keep the excitement going and to keep me on plan with the keto way of life, I recently bought a Ninja Foodi Max, which is an air fryer and a slow cooker, and it dehydrates, it makes yogurts and all sorts. And in the support group that I'm in the keto fitness support group, people have shared the accessories and things that they've bought to help them cook things better in their Ninja Foodi Max. So this has just arrived. I haven't opened it yet. I don't know what's in it. This is in no way endorsing this stuff. I'm not being paid to do this. It's just me being excited and trying to keep the excitement up. So this is air fryer accessories. So let's have a look and see what's in the box. Well, there's a recipe guide. I'd imagine there might be some things in this, but I would prefer to stick to my keto low carb recipes. I'm sure I'm not even going to know what half of this stuff is and what it's for. Any ideas? Okay. Oh, we've got a little something for basting here. We have some tongs. One of the rites of passage with having a Ninja Foodi is the burns you get on your arms when you're reaching in to take things out. So that will work well. Okay, we have some racks to put things on. Okay. Oh, now this was... I find it really hard to use my oven gloves because they are so thick. So here we have silicone mitts to get stuff out. I have some silicone cake cases. That's great. I've already got a load of these so I can share some with my daughter. Now, this is what I really wanted. Something to be able to put in, but that's got a handle for lifting it out afterwards. So that's the main reason I got this pack. The rest of the stuff is kind of a bonus. And this has got a removable bottom to it. So I can bake cakes with that and do all sorts. We have muffin mould to be able to make muffins. They nearly fit in there. Interesting, very interesting. They kind of balance on the top. Or do you just put the mix in that? I have a smaller tray. And then, oh, this is interesting. We have, these are going to fly everywhere, some bottoms to go in the cake cases so that things don't stick. That's interesting. Right. So that's my fun for today, my unboxing, and this is how I can keep things interesting and stay keto. I hope you enjoyed this. I just bought this off some random on Amazon. And I definitely can't fit it all back in the box. So that's it. That's me. Keep cooking keto and keep having fun.